ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्
Yes.
We saw first 3 chapters, dhatus and some shabdas we saw. Also, we saw some avyaya shabdas, latlakara and shabdas prathama vibhakti and dvitiya vibhakti. So far we saw this much. In this 4th chapter, they are introducing some new shabdas. Kru dhatu, we saw kru means to do. This is Tanadigana, 8th conjugation. Ashtama Gana. As dhatu means to be, to exist. This is Adadigana, Dvitiya Gana, 2nd conjugation. Next, Chur dhatu. Chur means to steal. To steal. We will see all those how to decline these forms once we finish the meanings. Chur dhatu belongs to 10th conjugation. The name is Churadigana. Starts with Chur, so it is called as Churadigana. Next, Chinta. Chinta means to think. This is also 10th Gana, Dashama Gana, Churadigana. Next, Kath. Kath means to tell. This is also 10th conjugation, Churadigana. Bhaksh dhatu. Bhaksh means to eat. This is also 10th Gana, Churadigana. Up to this, these all are dhatus. Next, it is given some avyaya shabdas. Avyaya means those shabdas we cannot decline. Those shabdas are called avyaya. We cannot decline as lakaras. We cannot decline as verbs. Are called avyaya shabdas. Itham. Itham means in this way. Itham, in this way. Tatha. Yatha and tatha will go together. Yatha means just as. Tatha means so as. Next, katham. Katham means how. Api. Api means also. Eva. Eva means alone. Cha. Cha means and. Kintu. Kintu means but. Parantu. Parantu also same meaning but. Up to these all are avyaya shabdas. Then eka, dvau, traya, these all are numbers. Numbers are given. We have to decline vibhaktis for these shabdas. Eka shabda is akaranta pullinga shabda. It will decline like tad shabda. It will be declined as tad shabda. How we decline tad shabda? Anybody remember?
Saha taute.
Saha tau te. Here eka shabda, ekaha, ekau, eke. Like that it goes. The other vibhaktis we'll see later when it comes to no. Ekaha, ekau, eke. Dvau. Dvau is Pratipadika is dvi. Ikaranta pullinga shabda. Eka is akaranta pullinga shabda. Dvau, dvi is the Pratipadika. Dvau will be always nitya dvivachanam. Nitya dvivachanam. Prathama vibhakti and dvitiya vibhakti both are dvau and dvau. Ekaha, ekaha, eke, eka. Ekaha, ekau, eke. Ekam, ekau, ekan. Dvitiya vibhakti. For dvi, ekavachanam and bahuvachanam won't be there. Only dvivachanam will be there. Prathama vibhakti, dvau. Dvitiya vibhakti, dvau. Next, trayaha is given. This is pratipadika of trayaha is 3. 3 is the pratipadika. 3. Trayaha, trayaha. Prathama vibhakti and dvitiya vibhakti both will be trayaha and trayaha. Always nitya bahuvachanam. It should be always plural only. 3 shabda. Next, chatvaraha. Can anyone tell what is the pratipadika for chatvaraha? You all know this word.
Chatur.
Chatur is the pratipadika. Chatur pratipadika prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam chatvaraha. This chatur shabda also nitya bahuvachanam. From 3 shabda onwards, all shabdas are nitya bahuvachanam. Dvi shabda alone is nitya dvivachanam. chatur shabda chatvaraha. What is the dvitiya vibhakti?
Chatvaraha.
If it is chatvaraha, then I would not have asked the question. Chaturaha. I know. Dvau, trayaha, trayaha. They are prathama and dvitiya, both are same. But for chatur shabda, prathama and dvitiya vibhakti are not same. Prathama vibhakti is chatvaraha. Dvitiya vibhakti is chaturaha. Then pancha. Pancha shabda, pratipadika is panchan. Prathama vibhakti pancha and dvitiya vibhakti is also pancha. Pratipadika panchan, prathama vibhakti pancha, dvitiya vibhakti pancha. Then shat. Shash is the pratipadika. Shash is the pratipadika. Murdhanya shakara. Shash, when we say, both shakaras are murdhanya shakara. Prathama vibhakti shat. Dvitiya vibhakti is also shat. Then saptan. Saptan is the pratipadika. Saptan is the pratipadika. Sapta and sapta. Prathama vibhakti is sapta. Dvitiya vibhakti is also sapta. Is it ekavachanam, dvivachanam or bahuvachanam? Bahuvachanam, yes. Next, ashtan shabda. Ashtan is the pratipadika. Prathama vibhakti and dvitiya vibhakti both are ashta. Then navan shabda. Prathama vibhakti and dvitiya vibhakti both are nava, nava. Then dashan shabda. Prathama vibhakti and dvitiya vibhakti dasha and dasha. Up to, is this clear? Shall we move forward? Can you hear me?
Yes, Amma.
Okay, up to this is clear, right?
Yes, Amma.
Next, here they are showing kru dhatu how to decline. Kru means lat laka. Kru means to do. Lat lakara forms will be karoti. It is not kusta, kurutaha. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti. Karoshi, kuruthaha, kurutha. Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha. This is the kru dhatu lat lakara forms. These are the. Then as dhatu forms also given. As means to be. Asti, staha. It should be visarga. Asti, staha, santi. Asi, staha, stha. Asmi, swaha, smaha. Can you give any example for asi? We all are very familiar.
Tatvamasi.
Yes. And Asmi?
Aham Brahmasmi.
Yes. See, even in Sanskrit class, we are doing all Mahavakyas. Tattvamasi and Aham Brahmasmi. So, then, Chur Dhatu. Chur Dhatu, how to decline? It will be similar to compare to Bhu Dhatu, but Yakara, we will add Yakara. Like Bhu Dhatu, we decline as Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti. Bhavasi, Bhavataha, Bhavatha. Bhavami, Bhavamaha, Bhavamaha. When we say Chur Dhatu, Chorayati, Chorayataha, Chorayanti. Chorayasi, Chorayataha, Chorayatha. Chorayami, Chorayavaha, Chorayamaha. In this way, we have to add Yakara in this Chur Dhatu. Chur becomes Chor, then we add Yakara. Chorayati. Next, Chint Dhatu. Shirishaji, can you decline Chint Dhatu?
Chintayati, Chintayataha, Chintayanti. Chintayasi, Chintayataha, Chintayatha. Chintayami, Chintayavaha, Chintayamaha.
Yes. Shivananji, Kath Dhatu.
Yati Katayata Katayanti. Katayasi. Amma, that is Kata P, Amma, that Karopi, that is C or P, Amma, that is.
Here,
Hmm.
this is Kuruta, but we are not doing like this. We are declining like Bhu Dhatu only. Like in Bhu Dhatu, Kathayati, Katayataha, like that.
Katayati Kataha, Katayati Katayataha, Katayanti, Katayasi, Katayataha, Katayatha, Katayami, Katayavaha, Katayamaha.
Yes. Next, Jaya, Bhaksh Dhatu.
भक्षयति भक्षयतः भक्षयन्ति भक्षयसि भक्षयतः भक्षयता भक्षयामि भक्षयावः भक्षयामः.
Okay. You can decline Chor Dhatu.
Chorayati, Chorayataha, Chorayanti. Chorayasi, Chorayataha, Chorayatha. Chorayami, Chorayavaha, Chorayami.
Also, Kru Dhatu and As Dhatu, these two Dhatus, we have to memorize. See, here, when we say Bhu Dhatu, Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti, Bhavasi, Bhavataha, Bhavata. In all Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, in all those forms, Bhava is there, ending form is changing. But here it is not like that in Kru Dhatu. You see, Karoti is there and Kurutaha is there, Kurvanti. So in these Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam, Kur is there. But in Ekavachanam, Karoti, Karoshi, Karomi is there. So it is little bit different compared to Bhudhatu. So we have to memorize. Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti. Karoshi, Kurutaha, Kurutha. Karomi, Kurvaha, Kurmaha. Then Asti, Staha, Santi, Asmi, Asi, Stha, Stha, Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. In this also, in Ekavachanam, Akara is there. In Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam, Akara is not there. That Akara gets lopa. So we have to remember a little bit more. So here Maheshwara Sutrani are introducing. We have seen all these Maheshwara Sutrani. Once I will read it. Aivun, Rurluk, Evong, I ouch, Hayavarat, Lan, Nyamagananam, Jhabhai, Ghadadhash, Jabagadadash, Kha Pha Cha Tha Tha Chatatau, Kapai, Shashasar, Hal, Iti Etani, Maheshwara Sutrani. So these 14 sutras are Maheshwara Sutras or Pratyahara Sutras. Whichever way we can say. So in this last letter, I1, in this last nakara it is just to make a Pratyahara. We should not consider this as a letter. When we say Anpratyahara, A, E, U, these three letters are included. So we may get the question, what is Pratyahara? If we want to tell few letters, we have to tell in short. Like we want to tell all ach. Means I should not say, when I want to tell all vowels, a, e, u, r, e, o, I, au. These letters I want to tell. But I want to tell in short. So I can tell ach. This ach is called Pratyahara. In this, all vowels are included. In short, we can say ach. When I say Anpratyahara, a, e, u, these three letters are included. Last letter which is having halanta, this is not considered as a letter. And look, this ka is also not considered. Nga is also not considered. Cha is also not considered. In the same way for all. When I say at pratyahara, what are the letters comes in at pratyahara, Shivananji?
A, E, Attanoma.
Yes.
A, E, U, R, E, O, I, Au, Hayavara.
Yes. H pratyahara. Shirishaji?
O A I O A O.
Can you say
I
again?
O I O.
A-O, I-O. H, when we say A, also included in that. A-O, I-O. Right?
Yes.
Huh. Jaya, khar pratyahara.
Amma she pa
You
she
see
sha
here,
sa
from where kha is starting?
khar ka pa she sha.
Kha, pha, cha, tha, tha, cha, ta, ta, ka, pa, sha, sha, sa. All these letters comes under khar pratyahara. Starting from kha, this last halanta letter we will remove from this, and yakara also will remove. Then whatever letters are there in that between kha and ra, all the letters are included. Kha, pa, cha, tha, tha, cha, ta, ta, ka, pa, sha, sha, sa. All these are khar pratyahara. Okay. They have given one niyama in this, that is, when we say two words, for example, in English we say flower and fruit, or fruit and flower. In that, and is coming in between. But in Sanskrit, we should put it at the end. Phalam pushpam cha. This cha means and. Phalam pushpam cha. Fruit and flower. Phalancha pushpam, this is Ashuddha Vakya. Ashuddha Vakya means inappropriate. Phalam pushpam cha, this is the correct sentence. Up to this is clear?
Yes, Purnaji.
Okay, next we will go to exercises. Ekaha manushyaha asti. Okay, you can translate into English or Telugu, whichever. Shivananji?
One man is there.
Okay. Dvau balakau staha. Shirishaji?
Two children. Staha. Are there something?
Yes. Asti staha. As dhatu? Declensions. Asti staha. Pratham purusha dvivachanam. Asti staha santi. Asi staha stha. Asmi swaha smaha. What we should do is, whatever shabdas and dhatus are coming, we have to memorize. If we don't memorize, then we won't be able to recognize the vakyas in Sanskrit. Dvau balakau staha. Two children are there, or two boys are there. Trayaha nrupaha santi. Jaya?
ఉన్నారు.
Trayaha nrupaha santi.
నృపాహ
Huh?
ముగ్గురు రాజులు ఉంటున్నారు.
Unnaru.
ఉన్నారు.
Three kings are there. Chatvaraha gramaha. Chatvaraha gramaha. In this, there is no kriya pada. In Vyakarana, there is a rule. If there is no kriya pada, then that vakya is not complete. We saw in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, elaborate discussion is there on this topic. If there is no kriya pada, then it won't be considered as a vakya. Chatvaraha gramaha santi. This kriya pada, it is not given, but we should add this. Four villages, that also we can say, but 4 villages are there. Chatvarah gramaha santi. Whatever is not given the Kriya Pada, when we add that Kriya Pada, it is called Adhyahara. Many times in Bhasha, in mantras and all, this kind of things will come. Kriya Pada, Bhavati won't be there, but we should add Bhavati there. Asti won't be there, we should add Asti. That is called Adhyahara. Chatvaraha gramaha, if this much if sentence is there, then 4 villages. If we add santi, then 4 villages are there. Okay, next, Pancha Pushpani. Shivananji?
Panchapushpani santi.
In English?
Okay, flowers are there.
Can you repeat again?
5 flowers are there.
Shat Falani.
Shat Falani Santi.
Shat Falani Santi. Screen is visible to all?
Now I'm
Yes, sir.
able to. Sorry, Purnaji. Now,
అమ్మ
now
స్క్రీన్ సరే కనపడట్లేదమ్మా, కొంచెం బ్రాడ్ చేయండి.
my screen was frozen. Now I'm able to. Sorry.
Okay, okay. Now, is it better? Okay, Shat Falani. Jaya, have you
Falani.
answered?
అమ్మ షట్ ఫలాని సంతి అమ్మ.
What is the meaning?
6 ఫలాలు ఉన్నాయి.
6 fruits are there.
6 పండ్లు ఉన్నాయి.
Next, Shirishaji, you can do next one. Sapta Pustakani.
Sapta Pustakani Santi. 7 books are there.
Ashtabalaha.
Ashtabalaha santi. 8 books are there.
Ashtabalaha santi means 8 books are there. Nava kathaha karoti. Shivananji?
Nava Kataha Karot. That is, Nava is Bahuvachana. Kata Karoti is Ekavachana.
Kathaha. The visarga is not clear. It is kathaha.
Okay. No, actually 9 books are there. But Nava is Bahuvachana Nama. 9 are there. But
Yes.
Karoti. Kata.
Kathaha is also bahuvachanam. Nava kathaha means 9 stories. Karoti means doing. Who is doing? Saha is not given. Saha is not given. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. We have to do Adhyahara there. Saha Nava Kathaha Karoti. He is doing 9 stories. Means either he is writing or he is telling or he is teaching, whichever way. But it is given as he is doing 9 stories.
Okay, so that refers to Saha Karoti.
Yes, Saha Karoti.
I thought it is Nava Kataha Kuruvanti.
No. So this Kriya Pada always followed by the Karta. Actually, Navakataha, not Navakataha. Navakatham. It should be Navakatham. So this Katham is in Dvitiya. He is doing 9 stories. So the 9 stories will be in karma, not in karta. Saha Navakatham karoti. It should be not, sorry, it is not Kataha, Katham. Is this clear? Is this?
Punaji.
Okay. Next, Dasha Gramaha Eva Santi. Shirishaji?
Te, should we add te? Te dashagramaha eva santi?
No. You see the
Okay.
meaning. If it is required, then we should add. If it is not required, then we don't need to add.
Okay.
Based-
10 villages.
Huh.
10 villages exist. Only exist.
10 villages alone are there, or 10 villages alone exist, whichever way. So here, Saha is required in this sentence. 10 villages alone are there. In that, Saha is required.
There is no karta. So,
Yes. If there is no karta, then we don't need to add. If there is karta is required, then we will add karta. Vayam, not only karta. If karta is not there, if we need to add karta, then we will add. If kriya pada is not there, if we need to add kriya pada, then we will add kriya pada. That is called what? What it is called?
Adhyahara.
Adhyahara. Yes. Even many times in shloka, these things we will find. Vayam katha kridacha kurma. Kurmaha. Visarga is missing. Jaya.
మేమందరము కథను మరియు క్రీడ చేస్తున్నాము.
So, this is where exactly we cannot translate as it is from Sanskrit. Some adjustments will be there when we translate. See, Vayam, we all, Katha Kurmaha. Okay, we are doing stories. We can say that. Krida Kurmaha. We are doing sports. Can we say in that way? Can we make the sentence? We are doing sports like that?
No.
We say we are playing sports. We can say that way. But this is where when we read Bhashya and Tika, even from Shloka, some places, though the sentence direct meaning is different, we have to understand what it is indicating. So here krida kurmaha means vayam katham kridancha kurmaha. Sorry, anuswara is missing. Katham and kridamcha kurmaha. Visarga is also missing. Vayam anuswara is also missing. Vayam katham kridamcha kurmaha. So we are doing stories and playing like that, playing sports. Okay. Is this vakya clear?
Yes, Amma.
Okay. Next. Saha dasha pustakani chorayati. You can say.
అతడు 10 పుస్తకాలను దొంగిలించాడు.
Present tense. He is stealing 10 books. Saha dasha pustakani chorayati. He is stealing 10 books. Okay, those who studied Visarga Sandhis, after this Sakara, there is no Visarga. Why? Do you remember? Oh, sorry, it is already 10:08. Okay, we will do tomorrow, Tika, in next class. Saha Visarga Lopa happened because of etat tadoho sulopo akora nai samase hali, by that sutra. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Oh, Mama.
Om.